Welcome to the desk of Coach Hess. I am thrilled and honored to have Kaye Griggs here today as my guest from Kay's Cooking. What a fantastic operation. We all need some home cooking, and that's what Kaye specializes in. Kaye, tell us a little about your business.
It's Kaye's Cooking. We specialize in comfort foods, the ones that nobody makes anymore. Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, green beans, chicken spaghetti on the side is great. How about some good old-fashioned porcupine balls with some brown gravy? That has just been the bomb. So if you are interested in anything like that, please find me. You can call me at 713-594-0816 or email kkcooking@gmail.com.
Excellent. Now, Kaye, I'll make sure when we post this up that I post those the number and the email for everyone to reach you. So if I need to get some of that porcupine stuff, man, that just sounds like, ooh, with the white gravy. Come on, get it on. I want to get a hold of some of that. What do I, once I reach you, and what's the process for me coming over, picking it up, or how's it work?
The process is, yes, it is pick up at my home. I will give you an address once we set a date for you to pick up your food. It can be structured where you can have a full meal with just dinner. You can have lunch and dinner. You can have a full casserole if you'd like. So it is personalized and structured to what you would like as a family.
Oh boy, that's excellent. So you can load up your freezer with this great food and use your microwave to have it probably at times.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. They are put in containers that are freezable and pop out, set them up for dinner the next night, and you're ready to go.
Oh, well, that's great, Kaye. That sounds exciting. I'm going to have to get in line for that. And I know everybody out there in the audience is going to want to get a hold of some of this great home cooking food. Yeah. And well, thank you, Kaye, for being on the show today. I mean, we didn't have a long time, but I think people are going to recognize with this virus, they're tired of eating their own cooking. It's time to spread out, and you don't need to be going to a restaurant to do this. You can get great food from Kay's Cooking.
Thank you very much, Coach Greg.
All right. Well, over and out from the desk of Coach Hess.